Hey y'all, so today, yesterday we got a new dog. Watch how cute, he is so cute, look. So yeah, well, if y'all wanna come watch some music of me, it's Kyra. Just do it, my name is Kyra. So just, y'all could go, it don't matter. So all I'm gonna do, show y'all that, and show y'all a new puppy. So cute, right? So yeah, if y'all, so we're gonna listen to the music, they cute, so cute. So yeah, I don't know what my mom does, it's so tiny. So there's an orchid, this is what color he is. Okay, so he's adorable. Like just look at that face. So yeah, we just like hanging out music, like without answer. So that's why I haven't really been doing music lately. So yeah, so bye YouTube.